Integrating Hubspot forms into WordPress Elementor allows you to capture leads directly on your website and sync them with your Hubspot CRM. Here's how to add a Hubspot form to WordPress using Elementor. Create a Hubspot form. Log into your Hubspot account and navigate to the Forms tool. Create a new form or use an existing one that you want to embed on your WordPress site. Generate embed code. After creating the form, click on the Publish tab. Choose the embed code option and copy the provided HTML code snippet. Install and activate Elementor plugin. If not already installed, install the Elementor plugin from the WordPress dashboard. Activate it to start using Elementor. Add the HTML widget in Elementor. Go to the page or post where you want to add the Hubspot form using Elementor. Drag and drop an HTML widget onto your Elementor layout. Paste embed code. Paste the copied Hubspot form embed code into the HTML widget's content area within Elementor. Adjust settings. Customize the widget settings as required, such as adjusting width, height, or alignment to fit your website's design. Preview and publish. Preview your page to ensure the form displays correctly. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your Hubspot form live on your WordPress site. Test form submission. Test the form submission to ensure leads are captured correctly in Hubspot.